Hi English 10, this is Miss O'Neill, just giving you a little bit of a walkthrough for week 1 of Mrs. Collins English 10 Canvas course. Week 1, which is from last week, is going to have assignments 1 and 2 posted. Assignment number 1, which some of you have already started, fantastic, starts out with you taking a survey. Alright, and don't panic, it's just going to ask you some questions about you and your experiences with English class. So, for assignment number 1, you're going to click on this link right here. It's going to open up a separate window for you, and you're going to fill in everything that has a little star, which in reality is every question that's on there. And once you are finished with your responses, towards the bottom, you're going to hit submit, okay? And that will automatically be sent to Mrs. Collins. So you won't have to worry about submitting anything or telling her that you're done. It's going to go straight to her, okay? So once you're done with assignment number 1, you go back to home and you're going to complete your first journal entry, which is assignment number 2. With that being said, assignment number 2, you do have to use the little mouse to move down the screen. It says for assignment number 2, you will write a journal entry. You will get at least one online journal entry topic each week. All entries should be at least 10 to 12 sentences long or more and should be at least 1 paragraph. These journal entries are very important for your grade, and the best part of all is that they are super easy. So, online journal topic for entry 1. Since the coronavirus pandemic hit our region, our lives have not been the same. Schools closed, many restaurants, businesses have shut down, and we were isolated in our homes. Describe the ways in which your life has changed since the COVID-19 crisis. Do you appreciate your friends and family more? Have you taken on more responsibilities at home? Do you realize how much you missed going to school? Has it been difficult being stuck in the house? Explain in detail. So that is the writing prompt. To get this going, I would suggest going into your computer, clicking on a Word document, and typing this up in the Word document first, okay? That way, in case there's any kind of issues with Canvas, you're not having to worry about it completely disappearing and getting rid of all of your statements. Once you finish typing it up inside of your Word document, you're going to click on Take the Quiz. It's not really a quiz, it's just you responding to the journal entry. And you're going to scroll down to the bottom. That is where your text box is going to be. So you would go and copy and paste the information. You can right click Control C, and then you would paste it, Control V, and it would pop up there. Once you have gotten it inside of that little text box and everything's all good, double check your spelling, double check punctuation, hit Submit Quiz. And then that will automatically be sent to Mrs. Collins, and we will be able to view that. It does show a timer here. Don't panic. If you're working outside and the Microsoft Word, you're obviously not going to be showing how much time you spend because you're working outside of the actual submission. No need to panic about that. It's not actually going to cut you out or anything like that if you are typing it inside of your Word document. So, that is week number 1. If you have any questions or concerns, please make sure you're reaching out to Mrs. Collins or I, and we will be here to help. Let us know.